Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Perplexity AI. Visit the Perplexity AI website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. You may need to provide some basic information and agree to their terms of service. Once logged in, explore the range of services offered by Perplexity AI. If we talk about its pricing and plans, first, they offer a free plan. And then there's a professional plan that costs $20 monthly. They might have various NLP models available, such as text generation, sentiment analysis, language translation, etc. Go through their API documentation to understand how to interact with their services. This documentation will provide details on endpoints, request parameters, authentication methods, and response formats. Depending on their API setup, you may need to generate an API key or use OAuth tokens for authentication purposes. Follow the instructions in the documentation to obtain the necessary credentials. Integrate Perplexity AI services into your application or project. This typically involves making HTTP requests to their API endpoints from your code. Use libraries or SDKs provided by Perplexity AI if available, or manually construct and send requests using your preferred programming language. Construct requests according to the specifications outlined in the API documentation. Include necessary parameters such as input text, model selection, and any optional settings. Once you send a request, Perplexity AI will process it and return a response. Parse the response in your application code to extract the relevant information or output generated by the NLP model. Implement error handling mechanisms to deal with cases where requests fail or encounter issues. Perplexity AI's API documentation should provide guidance on error codes and how to handle them. Before deploying your application or project, thoroughly test your integration with Perplexity AI services to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Test various scenarios and edge cases to identify and address any potential issues. Once testing is complete, deploy your application or project with the integrated Perplexity AI services. Monitor performance and usage metrics to optimize your usage and scalability as needed. Remember to refer to Perplexity AI's documentation and support resources if you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions about their services or API usage. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.